I think this is the big or chief court for Reddit. Have you noticed that for almost every Google search, most of the answers and discussions are from Reddit? It feels like every answer is being forced from Reddit, and you see a lot of things from Reddit now. And Google has even licensed Reddit's data to train its AI models. That means Reddit is no longer just a forum, it's become an SEO powerhouse. Reddit SEO works in two ways, on-platform and off-platform. On-platform means that if you write your post in a natural way, it starts ranking higher in search results. Off-platform means that your Reddit answers start appearing in Google search results. And people on Reddit don't just waste time. Those who really know something can anonymously give very high-quality answers. This means that whether it's about crypto, marketing, health, or anything else you want to ask, just search on Reddit and you'll find not one but thousands of subreddits there. You can ask your question and people will help you in a very good way, 25, 6, and beyond. The key is that whether it's Google, AI, or anything else, they will only give importance to answers that are highly authentic and well written. If you go there and start providing value with simple, crystal clear, and conversational answers, your answers will automatically be seen on Google and AI as well. This will increase the authority of your profile, you'll get a lot of likes, and the links you've included in your Reddit answers will start getting traffic and they'll automatically start ranking too. So how to start? Join relevant subreddits that you know about or have some knowledge in and start genuinely helping people there. There will be many questions that haven't been answered yet. Start answering those. This will help you and your brand rank better on Google or within tools. I'll share a Reddit comment that will really help you start your journey on Reddit within a day.